It is time for everybody in this house to get a haircut, so I thought I'd share my best pro salon tips. The first thing we do... The first thing you need beside a child is a chair. So pick the chair that's the highest one in your house because you want that extra height. Second, a comb. Show them the comb, Rio.
Comb.
Then you need a water bottle. And lastly, of course, we need scissors. We've actually never cut Rio's hair, so this is also water bottle, little spritz. You think that's funny? We get to squirt water at our kids. First thing I do is start the movie. Here we go, Rio. Yes.
Mama.
Yes?
I'm okay.
I know you're okay, honey. Put a little bit of children's conditioner in your water bottle to help you deal with tangles. It's really tough to get them to sit when you're this little. If the TV doesn't work, next you resort to what does. The best tip I can give you that works in my house is playing home videos.
Hold that one, but don't let that one go.
I'm just combing the hair just as it falls all the way around the head. You can see it, how it grows out from the root area. And instead of going straight across, which I could do, and leaving it like that, I actually prefer to take my cuts with little points. By trimming the edges into these points, you're just doing a more forgiving cut that will blend and fall easily. As I work my way around, I just take the little edges off. Now, I like to start on kids in the front of the head because honestly, if they go crazy, at least the front's done. You can always go back and do the back. We've made it through and have everything from the front and the sides. So I'm gonna finish up this haircut in the back. I just combed down his hair. I don't wanna leave him with a mullet, so I'm gonna go straight in, start at the center back. See, I keep it lax. I'm not pulling really hard on the hair. There's no need to do that because hair is elastic and it will bounce up and you may end up with a haircut that's much shorter than you bargained for. That's the simplest haircut I can show you. Just start in the front, do the perimeter or the outline of the hair, and match it up in the back, and you're done. Let's see your face. Yeah. So I'm here with Kai, and it's time for him to get a little trim, right?
No.
Should I shave it all off?
No.
Mohawk?
No.
No? What do you want?
A bang.
Just a bang trim? Why, are you growing your hair?
Yeah.
He's been rocking the man bun and really liking it. So today I'm gonna show you how to do a quickie bang trim at home. First thing is a cutting cape because kids get really itchy and irritated during haircuts and we don't need that. So a garbage bag. All we'll have to do is cut a little neck out and some armholes. I can cover him up so that he won't feel the itchies. Water bottle, put a little bit of conditioner in just to get through the tangles. Comb, sharp scissors, and a hair clip. I'm gonna wet his hair to start. I'm parting his hair exactly the way he wears his hair for this angle bang cut. Just take it both sides to behind the ear and just separate the back. I'm literally going to take this section and I'm gonna gently, with the wide part of the comb, not the skinny, because this grabs and pulls the hair too tight. We don't need to do that. Just very loosely leave enough hair so I don't snip my fingers. And I'm going to just V-cut this bang section. I'm gonna keep that trim going. You can see my fingers. I'm pointing on an angle from short to long because I'm not going straight. And I'm gonna continue this right down. Point, point, point. And now will be the final. Just a little bit of blending. You can see and I made these points a little bigger because it doesn't need to go all the way down to the side. When you're not cutting the entire head, you want it to look as though it's still one haircut, not two separate haircuts. So by doing that little point cutting technique and matching it up with the side, you're good to go. And he will put his hair back and this whole thing will stay out of his face, and that's a good trim. Now we're gonna finish the other side. See, I changed my hand from straight to angle. All right, push your hair back the way you wear it. No.
Maybe he'll find another family.